One quiet night, an alien called Axel landed on Earth, curious about human knowledge.
Where do I begin?
Axel saw a small school glowing under the moonlight.
Maybe I can learn here.
Inside, Ms. Grace was preparing her English lesson.
Tomorrow's class will be exciting.
Axel peeked through the window with wide eyes.
What are these strange symbols?
Ms. Grace noticed the curious visitor.
Oh my God! Who's there?
Slowly, Axel stepped into the classroom.
Hello, I'm Axel. I came to learn.
Liam, a curious student, joined them with a smile.
Hi, I'm Liam. Let's learn together.
Repeat after me. Apple.
Apple.
Ms. Grace began the lesson with simple words.
Banana.
Banana.
Liam helped Axel with another word.
See? English is easy when we learn together.
The class laughed happily as learning became fun.
Let's start with something simple. Hello.
The teacher welcomed Axel with kindness.
Hello, my name is Mia.
The student showed Axel how to greet. Axel tried his first human word. The class cheered for his effort.
Very good, Axel.
This is an apple.
The teacher showed Axel everyday words.
Hi.
He had never seen such things before.
Yes, apple. You can eat it.
Mia helped him remember. Axel loved his first taste of Earth.
Apple.
Next, he discovered books.
This is a book.
Turn it around, Axel.
Learning wasn't easy, but it was fun. The lesson moved from Earth to the vast universe.
Wow. Wow, it's so big.
Axel showed them the stars as no book ever could.
This is your galaxy, the Milky Way. See, Liam? It all stars right here on Earth.
Ms. Grace connected his knowledge to their textbooks. Liam dreamed of learning beyond his small classroom.
One day, I'll see it all.
But lessons must stay grounded.
Let's finish today's English practice.
Liam tried using his new words.
The universe is full of stars.
Axel saved every lesson to remember Earth's way of learning.
This will help others too.
Every step forward is a victory.
Rewards made learning joyful.
How do you say home in your language?
The student became the teacher, full of questions. In the end, they learned that home means the same everywhere.
Home is where learning begins.
Their notes became treasures of learning.
I never thought studying could be this fun.
Words can light up the universe.
Axel shared new tools that made lessons shine brighter. Different worlds, one message.
Knowledge connects us all.
Mistakes became stepping stones.
Good try. You're getting closer.
Axel revealed his distant home.
It's beautiful, just like Earth in its own way.
Learning is seeing both sides.
They found harmony in differences.
So you will never forget our world.
Liam gave Axel a piece of Earth to remember.
May this light guide your learning.
Axel returned the gift with wisdom of the stars.
Keep learning, my friends. We will meet again.
Every meeting must end, but knowledge stays forever. And so, under the stars, they learned the greatest lesson. Learning unites every world.
The universe is our classroom.
Join us and let's keep learning together.
Knowledge has no limits, it only grows when shared.